So hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget that it's your girl, Memi Girls. Okay y'all, so today is going to be something slight, not too much, just a little bit of spice. Okay, let me stop. Anyways, I went to Ulta, I also went to TJ Maxx, shop Miss A, and also I went to Dollar Tree because of one of my new homegirls, Ariel. Okay, she came through and told me that Dollar Tree has some pretty decent stuff, so I said, you know what? Why not? Let me go ahead and get some things too. So let's start off with Ulta. So the first thing that I got is this Salt Air. This is the Centel Bloom. This is actually a body oil and it's an FPF 50 in it, so it's a sunscreen. I bought this because I really wanted to be like shimmery and glowy, so that's the reason why I got this. So far so good. I also had this in another fragrance. I can't remember what it was, but yeah, I picked this one because I know how this one smells and I know it's good, girl. Okay, so the next thing that I got was the Saltaire Centel Bloom Fine Fragrance Mist. So this right here smells so good. I actually have this in the same fragrance in body, is it body wash, y'all? And I love the body wash. I've been really trying to hold on to my last few drops because I'm almost done with that body wash. But y'all, this smells so good. It's creamy sandalwood, sheer amber, and sensual musk. Y'all, it smells so freaking good. Test it and tell me what you think. These products was $26, and the body mist was $16, but I got a percentage off, so I only paid $11 for this, and I paid $17 for this. Thing is this NYX. This is actually $9. You get a lip liner and a butter gloss. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. I'll swatch it on my hand. You can't really tell because it blends in with my skin, but there you go. That's the shade of it. It's very pretty. This is in the shade, my girl, where's the shade? This is in Nude Truffle. So the butter gloss is in the shade Medley. Okay, that's it right there. That's the lip liner, and then that's the butter gloss. Really good. Really good. And this was just $9, but of course I got it for $6.20. So yeah, that's good. And they had one other shade that came with a set like this, and I probably should have picked that one up too, but I got this one because of the girl. And y'all, why I can't remember her name. I feel so embarrassed because I love watching her channel, and Life with Nakia. Okay, but yeah, so she used this butter gloss. I don't know about the lip liner, but of course the butter gloss. Then I also got another thing. Ulta sells this, but I did not get this on Ulta because they didn't have this specific liner. But this is one of those peel off lip liners. This is in the shade Clover, which is 5. I do have this on my lips right now, but I actually put on a lip liner over this. I don't know if I use this right, but I know she uses this all the time. When Nakia uses this all the time, so I feel like I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit more. But for right now, it's okay. I feel like, girl, it worked, but y'all know I love my Riri. I love my Fenty products, okay? I just love it. So yeah, so I put Fenty on my lips, but I put this on too, so yeah. This cost me $12 on Amazon, y'all, and I think it's $12 in Ulta too. They just didn't have that shade. Then I also got this Essence Baby Got Bronze. I actually have this bronzer on now. I don't know if you can tell, but I know that highlight just hit y'all. Did you see the highlight though? Okay, and I got this in the shade Mocha 30. Y'all, this smells like freaking bubblegum. It smells so good. I think that's the real reason why I got it, but let's do a swatch. So I wanted to have something that was just a tad bit darker than me. This is perfect to bronze with. It's a cream product, but it's super cute and tiny. I love that about it. It is a new product too. And I went on top of that with a powder bronzer that I have. And I really like this stuff. Like I said, girl, you see me. I know you see me. Okay, let me tell y'all how much this costs. It actually costs $4.99. So, and I got it for $3.99. This is called Baby Got Bronze in the shade 30. Me Crazy. That's what it says. But yeah, I feel like this is good. This is good for the, just to bronze you up, not to really contour, but to bronze you up, bring a little life back to your face. It works in that way. Okay, and then the next thing I got from Ulta is this e.l.f. This is a cream glide lip liner. You know, they have these little lip liners that are like $2. I went ahead and got one. This one costed me $1.38. This is in the shade, girl, I don't know, 22096. Oh yeah, that's a real brown shade. It's really creamy too. I like that. It's like a muted down brown. Let's see, how's that gonna look? Ooh, that's gonna look real good on my lips. Yeah, so this, I like getting these. I got this e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. This is the Crystal Baller. Y'all, this is so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. Look how gorgeous this is, girl. I want to get another one. This one has like, I don't know, it's like a hue of like a champagne-y color with the glitters in it. It's so freaking pretty. I'm probably gonna put this on my lips, sis. But I don't want to mess up the applicator, so I'm gonna put it on my hand, on my finger, and then apply it to my lips. Look at that. Yes, it's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna put some on my hand also, so you guys can see the glow. But it's more of a sheer, but you can see the sparkles in it. It's so freaking pretty. I love it. Like I said, I want to get more of these. I'm obsessed with this. This cost $8, but I actually got it for $5.51. Perfect. Go into the TJ Maxx. So I was at TJ Maxx just looking around like, girl, I don't need nothing, but if I see something I like, I'll get it, you know? So I ended up purchasing this freaking cute coat hat. It is so freaking cute, girl. I love you, girl. It's so cute. Look at the back of it. This was $34.99, y'all. It's so cute. Y'all, it matched my skin. I love it. I love it so much, but it's so cute. Of course, can't wear it with this hairdo. But yeah, I love it. And y'all know pretty soon, if I hit my goal, which my goal is 140, I will be getting a Coach purse. So yeah, weight loss journey coming soon, y'all. And y'all know I'm losing the weight. I'm doing good. Okay, but like I said, this was $34.99. It's super cute, and I just bought it basically because of this freaking color. And you know, Coach got a lot of purses this color, so can't wait, girl. Then last but not least, I got these Ardell Professional Press-On Pre-Glued Underlash Extensions. So it says no glue is needed. These actually cost $5.99. I purchased these because I do have the other ones, and y'all know I do like them. But these, I don't have to put no freaking glue or anything on them because they already quite sticky. And I just purchased the one that has 12 clusters. And this is in the naked style, naked nature style. And I don't know, I just hope this works good and I like them. And if I really like them, they have other ones that I seen in TJ Maxx and they were like $9.99, and I probably would just purchase 2 of them so I can make sure I have enough. But yeah, I really want to try to do lashes, but lashes it's not that easy for me. And plus my eyes be watering, I have allergies and everything else. I'm like, but I want to try these and I'll let y'all know. I might do a video on these too. So yeah. Went to Miss A, shop Miss A. I went to the outlet mall like yesterday, girl. And when you see $1.88, you just can't stop picking up stuff. That's what was happening to me. I got this niacinamide 2% mask. This is a face mask. Okay, girl. Just got this face mask. This is $1.88. So yeah, I'll let y'all know how this goes. Then I just picked up some little cutesy things because I seen a lot of cute stuff and I wanted it, and I'm a girl and I was just like, nah, I might as well. So I picked up this. This is a hair scrunchie, and then this is one of the, like, it's a little clip. It has a clip at the back of it. And this was just so freaking cute to me. And I actually could have put it in my hair like right here if I had to. That would be so freaking cute. But yeah, this is cute. This was just $1.88 also. Then I was just like, why not? I wanted a big bow, and I feel like it'll be cute, like a cute big bow if I had my hair done like in a bow up at the top or something like that, or just in the back, like something in the back of my head. But anyways, this one has a clip on it too, so it's easy to put in and take out. So yeah, love that about it, the clip. Oh yeah, and it's black. Like, you can't go wrong with black, right? You just can't. That is one of these little headbands. I've been wanting just a sleek black headband for a while, girl. Now I got one. Okay, good. Don't want to mess with my edges or nothing, but yeah. Then I got another bow because I thought it was freaking cute too. And I feel like this will be cute in my hair also. Look how cute that is. Girl, baby doll look coming soon, okay? But yeah, and it also has a clip too. Yeah. $1.88, y'all. Okay, so it's well worth it. Then I got this satin hair bonnet. I got this bonnet because my other bonnet I cut it up. And the reason why I cut it up because I didn't have one of these headbands, and I wanted the headband. I was like, I'm just gonna cut this bonnet up. But yeah, so I got this bonnet, which it is satin. Oh, I like this one. Okay, this should fit on my head, right? Nothing but air. Nothing but air inside. No, I'm just kidding. I got hair, y'all. I promise I do. You sound like a liar. No. But no, this was $1.88 too, and you always need a bonnet. Girl, sleep in satin, sleep in a satin scarf, a satin bonnet, anything satin for your natural hair, girl. We're trying to take care of our natural hair. So I actually got this. Y'all, what is this? This is one of those scrunchies that when you do your ponytail, this thing will be sticking up. And I feel like this would be cute. And if I put this like in a ponytail on the top and I put this around it, I feel like it just amps up your look, girl, okay? And it's very cute and gold. It's a scrunchie. Is that it? Oh, and then last but not least, I got some tweezers, girl. Which I really don't be growing no hairs under my chin, but I still be having like little hairs that I want to get rid of in my eyebrows and stuff. And I said, you know what? I need some baby tweezers. So yeah. Well, I was talking about baby. These is mini flat tweezers. So I got some of these. I hope these tweezers work good because all tweezers are not made equal. Okay, and that's a fact. They're not. They're really not, girl. Dollar Tree. I feel like $14 in Dollar Tree, girl. No, you do not have to spend no dang on $15. Me, when I like something or when somebody tell me something, I be like, oh, let me go get it. And especially if it's cheap, girl. Not cheap, affordable, girl. I'm in there. I'm so in there. So Instantly Radiant highlighters. Mind you, all the makeup that I'm about to show you guys cost $1.25. So I got the shade. These are highlighters. And let me tell y'all what I want to use these for. So let me show you both of them. They look very similar on camera, but I promise you they're not. I don't know if I promise. One is like darker than the other one. I would say that. Okay. So I got Glow Time and then I got Shine Bright. So how I would like to wear these are as like, sorry y'all, as like a highlight, or like I will kind of, you see this part, I will put like a bronzer right in here and it'll be like shimmery and people will see you like, oh, I didn't know you was an Egyptian goddess. Girl, I am though, okay? Just like MJ said, I'm an Egyptian goddess. But yeah, that's the reason why I got these. And you can also just use them like on the high points of your cheeks, you know, your cupid's bow, the center of your forehead. But I bought these mainly for my body because I want my body to glisten. Okay, girl, it's summertime. You're supposed to be glistening. Shine bright like a diamond. And I will be doing an in-depth video of my Dollar Tree stuff and trying some on, but that will be in a whole nother video. That's why I'm not doing swatches. Okay, I get one when you can get three. So I actually purchased these blushes. So I got the creamsicle blush, which is like a orange. I don't know if y'all can see that. Which is like a orangey shade with like hints of sparkle in it. It's super pretty. It's not really picking up on camera, I would say, but it is gorgeous. And like I said, I would just do the highlights of my cheeks. And then the next shade that I got is Berry Plum, which is another, it's not real deep. It's kind of giving off mauve a little bit. It looks a little deeper in the pan, But yeah, I really like this color. It's pretty. It's gonna go good with my brown skin. Brown skin girl. Your skin just like pearl. Okay, that's me. This is a bright, like a hot pink. And I feel like this will look cute with a really pink, like with a pink lip, y'all. Can y'all see where I'm coming from? Okay, because right now, look at this. Every time I show you, I'm just listening. I'm so cute today. Okay, I love my makeup today. Love it. This is a monochrome matte and shimmer blush duo. So this is more on the deeper side, but I got it because of this shade. And I feel like if I do like the blush, like do this blush, right? Just the matte blush. Is this matte? Or do we got hints of shimmer in it? Okay, it's just matte. So do like the matte, like right here, and then on top of it, like go a little bit higher and then do that highlight. I feel like this will be freaking cute. Well, like a maroon lip too, girl. Y'all see it or no? Because I see it. But this is very, very pretty. I love this color. It is a silky lip cream with hydrating hyaluronic acid. This is in the shade soft rose. I feel like it'll be a pretty color. I really hope what they are advertising is what's in this bottle, but we'll see, girl, because like I said, I will do an in-depth swatches video of all these because this video is long enough, girl. Then I bought, I think this is one of the colors that my friend told me to get. This is called Sweet Cocoa. This is supposed to be a smooth application, moisturize and hydrates. This is a bold and bright lipstick. It says rich color. It looks really pretty and really shimmery on the packaging, but girl, we'll see. But I think this is one of the colors that she told me that she liked, so I'm gonna see how it looks on me too, because she's a few shades lighter than me, I believe. But yeah, hopefully it works on my brown skin, girl. So I did pick that up. And then I also picked up, this is another thing I never seen in Dollar Tree before, this Be Pure. Oh, this other thing is I can talk. Be Pure too. This one's Be Pure. This is supposed to be a plumping glossy lip balm. This is formulated with strawberries and grapeseed oil. Okay, and the other oil, I don't know how it is, but it's got another oil in here too, because I can't pronounce that. But yeah, it's supposed to be plumping and glossy lip balm. And you're supposed to click it at the bottom. It's like one of those clickers at the bottom. And this is in the shade Plum. Now, I have no lip glosses in Plum, but I do have like a purple lip liner. I think it's purple. It's like a deeper purple than this though. But yeah, so I'm hoping that this is a good product and I actually like it, girl. Okay, I know y'all seen my hair video and I want to do more hair videos, and y'all seen how ghetto I was by using my sack, and I don't want to be ghetto no more. I don't want to be ghetto no more. So I did buy me some shower caps for my hair, so when I deep condition or when I go and take a shower, I can just put this on my head. You get 10 shower caps, which that's really good. $4.25, girl, it was worth it. And then I got this eyelash curler. I know this is a brand that they carry a lot, this Sassy Chick. And I just needed an eyelash curler because I never used eyelash curler, to be honest. I mean, I know the purpose of it is to curl your eyelashes, but we'll see, you know, because I pretty much do have long eyelashes. I just use mascara most of the time. But, you know, we'll see. Maybe this will help me out even more. So I did purchase this for $1.25. That is all that I have. Mind you, like I said, don't forget to stay tuned for that Dollar Tree haul swatch video, because that will be coming out soon. I thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, mamas. Bye, papas. Bye, y'all. Taina. It made me think of Taina. Okay, bye, y'all. Sorry.